Oh snap! I set the alarm for 10 p.m. again instead of a.m. I forgot to go Christmas shopping. Oh, double snap! It's Christmas Eve! Eugene, you gotta help me. Where's the nearest store? It's still open.
It's about 3 miles from here.
Thanks.
Hey, wait a minute. Aren't you going to make a donation to the Children's Trust Fund?
Oh, yeah, right. Here's $50.
You're a real estate trooper, Mike.
Bruno, you gotta help me. I have a serious problem.
Let me guess. You still haven't gotten that alarm clock replaced.
But that's besides the point. Look, I got an hour and 45 minutes. I forgot the worst shopping season known to man and machine.
Really? Well, guess what? Do you promise not to tell anyone about this?
Yeah. What is it?
Okay. You know how Mac works at Burger King?
Yeah?
Well, I work at Walmart.
Oh my gosh.
Yup. And now that's revealed. I think I can help you.
Really?
Yeah. I'm taking some of their 2006 discount stuff to be sold at auction. You can use some of that. Gotta make room for the 2007 discount stuff.
Okay, let's see. A dual DVD? Toby loves Dennis movie. What else? Ooh, a steak knife. That's got the controller written all over it. Tyson. Hello? Oh, hey, Bob. Yeah, Merry Christmas to you, too. Hey, Dad. Yeah, I cooked the dinner. Yeah, with the green beans and the mashed potatoes. And I included the chicken. No, I'm not alone. Yes, the electricity is fine here. Ugh, stupid computer. Always give it out like this. And hey, where's my wallet? Let's see, Niagara. Okay, don't gotta worry about him. I think he's already had him pull in public, especially little boys and girls.
Well, you're coming? Never take a rest. You can ride for free.
It's okay, I got him.
Oh, this thing is awesome. Derek demands respect. I like to see somebody front on this. Hey, Porter, grab a hold of that tanker. Thanks, man. If Mike isn't here with my present, I'm gonna cook his goose.
Hey, look! The controller got us a new engine, and it's German. Oh, wait, sorry, never mind. Just Mike. I mean, Miguel. Oh, you get what I mean.
Merry Christmas, Miguel.
What the? A roll of electrical tape? Foolish Mike. Christmas ain't about getting people presents. It's about the time of day that you ought to go. Next time, set your alarm to 2 p.m. That way it won't get us this lousy discount stuff that nobody likes. Oh, Mike is perfect.
It is?
Yeah, all you have to do is sell us on eBay for $20. They'll have Bachman heavyweight passenger cars. Thanks,
Well, looks like the first steamer on the line still has what it takes.
Oh yeah? Well, Derek has what it takes. And what it takes is the controller's wallet.